Thank you, Freddie. Yes, sir, that's what I said. Okay, so we're going to page 360. Open up your textbook to 360. Wow. And we're going to do question number 24 and 25. So let's see what we got. We're going to use which formula? Hydraulic lift, pressure and fluid of body, or buoyancy force. So let's see what the question says first. It says, Dennis chair is an example of a hydraulic lift system. If a chair weighs 1,600 newtons and rests in a piston of a cross-section area of 1,440 centimeters squared, what force must be applied for a smaller piston with a cross-section area of 72 centimeters squared to lift the chair? So which formula are we going to use?
Hydraulic.
Hydraulic, because the chair, hydraulics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Man, this is awesome. Okay, so let's look. Formula is what? F2 equals F1, A2 over A1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, F2 is the force of the second. F1 is the force of the first piston. A2 is the area of that piston of 2, and the other one's the area of piston 1. Okay, so what numbers do we have?
1,600 newtons as a force for the first one.
Okay, so F1 equals 600 newtons, okay? 1,600.
Mm-hmm.
What's my area 1?
Is 1,440 centimeters squared.
Perfect. And what's my area 2?
Yeah.
72?
Yes, ma'am.
Centimeters squared, right? So what we're going to do is we're just going to plug and chug, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we're going to say 1,600 newtons times 72 centimeters squared over 1,440 centimeters squared. And what do we get? What mode do we need to have it in?
Normal or scientific?
Let's have it in normal, and mine was in degrees from my other class, so I changed it to radian. Yep. You got 80? Okay.
I got 32,000.
Okay. Don't square these, right?
Yeah, don't squirrel.
Don't square them, because that's centimeters squared. So let's see, 1600, and then I'm going to do alpha y enter. I'm going to do 72. 1600 open. Alpha y equal 72 over 140. Jared, y.
I did 1440 over 72.
And it is 80. What is my answer in units?
80 newtons.
Thank you. 80 newtons. Why? That's in newtons. We're looking for F2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write that all down. All right, 25 says mechanical exerts a force of 55 newtons, on a 0.015 meter square hydraulic piston to lift a small automobile. The piston in the automobile sits at the area of 2.4 meters per meter second or squared. What is the weight of the vehicle? Which one are we going to use this time? Same one. Okay. Force 2 equals force 1, area 2 over area 1. What is my force 1? 55 newtons. Very good. Anything that has newtons on it, right? Okay. What's my area one? 0.015 meters per squared. What is my A2?
2.4.
2.4 meters squared. Perfect. So let's plug it in. 55 newtons times 2.4 meters squared over 0.015 meters squared. Let's see what we got.
How you get the
Get the what?
fraction by itself?
Okay. So you put the number in. Put the 55. Okay. Open the bracket. Alpha Y equal. Yeah. Once you put it in the bracket, it'll do it for you. Got it?
Do we need to change the mode?
I changed it to scientific.
And then it should bring up what you got up there on the board.
I hope so. But I might do the math wrong, so double check me.
8.8 times 10 to the third.
That's what I got. Telling you. This is my smart class.
This is your smallest class too, ain't it? That's bad.
Yes, you're my small class. You're my smallest right now. Okay. All right, so you can do one or two options here.